Yay! I smell sesame noodles. They must be in that cave. Ha! I know how to open it. Open sesame. Okay, open sesame. Oh, I forgot the magic phrase. Open delicious vegan sesame noodles. Come to me. Yay! It's super delicious! Hello, good evening! Welcome to Vegan Cooking at Hilldette Cafe with my sweetheart Hillary, me, and Jam. We're so excited. We are going to make sesame noodles. And here's my sweetheart Hillary. Come on down.
All right, we have all of our wonderful ingredients laid out here.
Wow.
This is going to be a little different spin on what you've usually made sesame noodles with, but here we have 2 cloves, diced garlic, 1 julienne carrot, 3/4 of a julienne red pepper,
Yum.
a julienne cucumber,
Yum.
pineapple juice,
Yum.
tahini sauce,
Yum.
organic sesame oil here, toasted sesame oil. We're going to use soy sauce, but if you are soy intolerant, I recommend Worcestershire sauce. Ooh, boy, that's hard to say. Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, Bernadette can't say it either. We're going to use soy sauce. If you are soy intolerant, Worcestershire sauce it'll taste a little different, but it'll still be great.
Love is Worcestershire.
Yeah, right. Okay. Pineapple juice. We have our herbs here. We have some sesame seed, black pepper, smoked paprika, cumin, cayenne pepper.
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition. That was your Spanish Inquisition corn last show.
Another cumin.
Absolutely. Little different twist. Some people do that. We're going to use peanut butter. Just to confound Barbara, who doesn't have a processor, I'm going to make my own peanut butter because then I can adjust it using sesame oil rather than any other added oil to fit the flavor. First of all, I'm just going to dump peanuts into the food processor.
Wow.
And we are going to add a little bit of sesame oil. We want it a little bit wetter, but not too wet, not like that nasty Skippy stuff. So we'll add just a little more sesame oil. This is more like, it's still crunchy peanut butter consistency, just a little bit. So we're going to keep it going and make it a smooth peanut butter consistency. And there you have it. This looks beautiful.
Wow. I'm going to make that every day. Now I know the secret.
Here we go, Bernadette. Bernadette gets a taste.
Oh, thank you. It's super delicious. Yummy, yummy.
How'd I know she was going to say that?
It's very delicious, love.
Here are our noodles, which are the star of the show.
Yay!
These were made earlier by pasta expert Bernadette.
Thank you.
It's
al dente.
It's al dente. Yeah, everything's al dente to Bernadette. We use whole wheat angel hair noodle, organic. You can use whatever pasta noodle that you like. We've got trusty wok heating. I'm going to use a mixture of sesame oil and a little bit of olive oil just to balance it a little bit. So the oil is nice and hot. I will lower the heat a little bit. We are adding our garlic. Okay, and we are going to infuse this sesame with our beautiful garlic flavor. If this was Bernadette doing it, she would infuse the oil with the garlic flavor and then drain it out and then reuse the oil.
Yep.
So it's your choice.
Just don't burn the garlic.
This is pineapple juice, okay? This is a little different spin on it. And we're going to add some pineapple juice to keep the heat going.
Wow, that's a secret.
And now we are going to add a good amount of soy sauce. I don't know, what did you say that is? 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons?
No, looks like 4 tablespoons.
Okay, we'll compromise 3.
Starts
Okay.
with 3.
But do it to taste. Again, like everything here, do it to taste. Okay, now we're going to get this slightly bubbling.
Bubbling.
Okay, another twist. Some of our julienne carrots I'm going to add now.
You're gonna be bubble.
Okay, not all of them. Still, we're going to save some of the fresh julienne carrots to add to the noodles later. Also, I'm going to add a little bit of the red bell pepper in this mix, but we'll save the rest to keep raw in the noodles. All right, let's get a nice bubble going. Like a witch's cauldron, right, Bernadette? We've got a nice bubble going. This is going down, so we're going to add our tahini paste.
Oh, that's nice. Tahini, I wasn't expecting tahini at all.
Well, it is sesame.
It's a secret.
And we're going to add, I don't know, Bernadette will give you the measurements. I just do it. 1,
What's that?
2, this is peanut butter, homemade peanut butter.
Oh, that's right.
All right, there's 3 globs of homemade
3
peanut butter.
tablespoons.
All right, so all the flavors are infusing nicely together. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit. Now you can add your herbs and spices to the noodles later. I like to add it to my sauce. Freshly ground pepper.
Nice.
And some, of course, cumin. I love that earthy flavor that you get from cumin.
Cumin! I wasn't expecting cumin at all.
A little bit of coriander.
I wasn't expecting coriander at all.
You don't expect anything. All right, so depending on how much heat you like, we're just going to go easy with a little bit of cayenne pepper and just a touch of turmeric.
Turmeric.
So
Lots of unexpected ingredients.
this is all mixing together nicely.
Yummy.
So it's become a nice paste. All right, that's good. I'm going to turn this heat down, turn the heat off, and we will see you back at the countertop.
Come to me. Come to me.
All right, probably the hardest part you're going to have with this recipe is actually mixing this paste in with it. But
Challenge.
we have already coated the noodles with just a little bit of olive oil. Now, this is my recommendation. You can do it however you want, but I always recommend mixing the vegetables and tossing them in first before you even try to mix the paste in. So you just want to try and mix it up as much as possible, get that beautiful colors throughout the noodles.
Come to me. Come to me.
So now we've got the vegetables pretty nicely mixed. This gets a little messy and sloppy, but just hang in there. Just try and make it as even a mix as possible. Don't rush this process. Our paste is a little more substantial and thick. It's going to take you a little bit more time to actually mix and infuse the noodles with this paste, but trust me, it's worth it. So there we have it, our spin on Hilldette Cafe's spin on sesame
Yay!
noodles. Bernadette designed one of these plates and I designed the other. Why don't you try and guess whose is whose?
Yummy.
And enjoy, eat cruelty-free.
Yay, it's super delicious. Time to eat. Yay, I smell sesame noodles. They must be in that cave. Ha, I know how to open it. Open sesame. Okay, open sesame. Oh, I forgot the magic phrase. Open delicious vegan sesame noodles. Come to me.